1858ko urtarrilean aurkitu zuten urrea Kalifornian. Martxoa orduko hasia zen urrearen lasterketa. Sukarraren deiari erantzunez, Kalifornian bildu ziren mehatzariek laster hondatu zituzten bertako lurrazala eta errekabazterrak. 1864an amaitu zen urrearen karrera eroura eta beste bat hasi, eguneroko bizi beharra. Urreak ezkutatzera egin zuenean beste lan batzuk hartu behar izan zituzten munduko lau haizeetatik joandako urre biltzaileek, tartean euskaldunek. Ameriketako Estatu Batuetako mendebaldean gaur egun ageri diren euskal aztarnek urre biltzaileek irekitako bidean dituzte sustraiak. Joan deneko 15 urtean bildutako irudiok aztarna horien erakusgarri dira.
It was hard, we lived and learned life through curves. There was joy, there was hurt, remember when. Remember when old ones died, new were born, and life was changed. Disassembled, rearranged. We came together, fell apart, and broke each other's hearts. Remember when? Remember when the sound of little feet was music? We danced to week, brought back the love. We found trust, vowed we'd never give it up. Remember when? Remember when 30 seems so old now, looking back. It's just a stepping stone to where we are, where we've been. Said we'd do it all again. Remember when? Remember when we said when we turn gray, when the children grow up and move away, we won't be sad, we'll be glad for all the life we've had.